Super raises TypeError, must be type, not classobj for new style class. The following use of super raises a TypeError. Why? There is a similar question on Stack Overflow, Python super raises TypeError, where the error is explained by the fact that the user class is not a new style class. However, the class above is a new style class, as it inherits from object. What am I missing? How can I use super here? Using nightmlparser._init_self, instead of super text parser, self._init_ would work, but I would like to understand the type error. P.S. Joachim pointed out that being a new style class instance is not equivalent to being an object. I read the opposite many times, hence my confusion. Example of new style class instance test based on object instance test, this URL.
Alright, it's the usual super cannot be used with an old style class. However, the important point is that the correct test for is this a new style instance, i.e. object? Is. And not, as in the question. For classes, the correct is this a new style class test is. The crucial point is that with old style classes, the class of an instance and its type are distinct. Here, oldStyle._class_ is old style, which does not inherit from object, while type old style is the instance type, which does inherit from object. Basically, an old style class just creates objects of type instance, whereas a new style class creates objects whose type is the class itself. This is probably why the instance old style is an object. Its type inherits from object. The fact that its class does not inherit from object does not count. Old style classes merely construct new objects of type instance. Partial reference, this URL. P.S. The difference between a new style class and an old style one can also be seen with. Old style classes are not types, so they cannot be the type of their instances.
Super can be used only in the new style classes, which means the root class needs to inherit from the object class. For example, the top class need to be like this. Not. So, the solution is that call the parents init method directly, like this way.
You can also use class text parser nightmlparser, object, column. This makes text parser a new style class, and super can be used.
The problem is that super needs an object as an ancestor. On closer examination one finds but so the solution to your problem would be to inherit from object as well as from nightmlparser. But make sure object comes last in the class's row.